This is day 24 of our 40 days of bear, and today we will be going over exercises to improve knee flexion. The first exercise is your standard heel slide. I have a slide board and a towel at my feet to remove the friction and allow for heel slides with no resistance. Try getting more and more knee flexion each rep that you do. Another variation of this exercise is using a strap in order to passively bend your knee and remove hamstring involvement, which is especially important if the meniscus is involved. The next exercise is seated knee flexion with manual overpressure. This is combined with long arc quads in order to keep the quad engaged. The opposite leg is used in order to provide overpressure and get the knee at its end range, which is where the magic happens. Next, we have repeated knee flexion with tibial internal rotation mobilization with movement. Wrap the towel around your knee and pull with the same arm as your knee you're bending in order to facilitate tibial internal rotation while going into flexion. The last one is sustained knee flexion in supine at the wall. Place a towel at the sole of the foot in order to remove friction. This is a great way to utilize gravity in order to reach end ranges. Those are 4 of the best exercises in order to improve knee flexion range of motion. Come back tomorrow to learn more about how to decrease swelling in your knee after knee surgery.